Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Publisher Rocket tool to get your 7 backend keywords. They have a new feature called the Reverse ASIN Lookup, and this video is going to show you how you can apply this tool in getting your 7 backend keywords. So if you are interested and you want to learn how to do that, make sure you stay to the end of this video. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video for today. I have a video on how to use Publisher Rocket for beginners. Alright, it's called the Beginner's Guide to Publisher Rocket. It was done over 3 months ago. Okay, so if you have not yet seen that video, you need to go and watch it right now. Okay, watch it so you will understand how to use the Publisher Rocket tool. It's not going to be strange to you. So our video for today is going to be in-depth. How do we get 7 back-end keywords for our book using the Reverse ASIN Lookup? How do we get 7 backend using this tool? I have a book which I have worked on for my clients. Alright, the book is called the 5 Ingredients Mediterranean Cookbook for Beginners. 5 Ingredients Mediterranean Cookbook for Beginners, and this book is doing amazingly well on Amazon. It's doing well on Amazon. Alright, so if you want me to give you this template, alright, this is a cookbook interior that I've done for a client. As you can see, it was designed by me. I wrote the book, I designed it, and the client is ready to publish. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to get my 7 backend keyword for this book. Alright, so if you need these templates for your cookbook, I'll be dropping my link in the description. So just use my link, chat me up, and I'll make the book available for you at a affordable price. The book is going to be available to you, the template is going to be available to you at an affordable price. Alright, so without wasting time, let's head over to Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to do is to search out this title on Amazon. Alright, so when you come over to Amazon and you search out the title, you are going to see that it has just 558 results, and the books here, some of them are by independently published authors, and they are doing very well. Like this particular one is from an independent publisher, just like you and I, and was published in August 2024. So recent publication, and it's already doing amazingly well. So you can see even this bestseller is by an independently published author in April 2024. So this is a title. So if you're watching this video, kudos to you. You have a title you can work on right away and start making money on Amazon KDP. Alright, so I'm going to open this on a new tab. Okay, so we can get the ASIN number of this particular book. Alright, the 5 Ingredients Mediterranean Diet Cookbook for Beginners. Alright, so we are on the paperback version. Okay, so we want to copy out the ASIN number. We want to copy out our ASIN number. So like I said, independently published. So just like you and I. So I'm going to copy out the ASIN number. I'm going to head over to Publisher Rocket right now. Alright, and then I'm going to click on Reverse ASIN Lookup. So I'm going to click on Go Get Them Rocket. Alright, so as you can see, one of the limitations of this tool is that we have just 47. We have a total number of 50 times to use the tool in a month. Alright, we have just 50 ASIN numbers we can look at in a month using this feature on Publisher Rocket. How I wish there is no limitation, that we can just use it any number of times as much as we want. Alright, so what this does is it shows you the number of sales for each keyword. It shows you the searches per month, and then it shows you the competitive score, the competition score. Let's check out some of these keywords and then see their sales in a month, see their searches in a month, and then see their competition score. Alright, let's do that right now. I'm going to look for keywords that are not exactly on my title, like verbatim. You know, cookbooks, there's no way to put in keywords without finding keywords that are already in your title, because they are cookbooks. Alright, so I'm going to find the ones that are not verbatim on my title. Alright, let's look at this. Alright, so as you can see, this one is amazing. Mediterranean Diet Cookbook Recipes. So I will copy this out. So we want to look for keyword that has great number of searches and low competition. Alright, that's what this green means. So Rocket works with colors, not necessarily numbers. It works with colors. So once you are seeing 2 green here, it means you are good to go. So I'll copy out this, then I'll keep it on a particular folder. Alright, so I'll keep searching. Mediterranean Diet Cookbook, let's see this. So the competition is very high, even though it has good number of searches. Mediterranean diet, cookbook diet, let's check this out. So they said the competition is moderately competitive. So Mediterranean cookbook diet, let me see if it's the same thing with this one. Mediterranean diet cookbook research, so it's looking almost the same thing, so I'm going to leave that. Let me see, keto Mediterranean diet cookbook for beginners. Let's see this one. It has low number of searches, not enough searches, all right, but the competition is very low. So we have easy Mediterranean keto diet cookbook. Jesus, the name is amazing. Mediterranean diet cookbook for beginners and seniors. So I'll check this out. Let's see. Low number of searches. So let's move on to another number. Let me check number 10. All right. Mediterranean diet cookbook, no fish. Let's see. Low searches. For cancer. Let's see for cancer. Let's also see for pregnancy, for menopause. Okay. For kids. So this one, the competitions are low, but their searches, not enough searches on Amazon. It doesn't have enough searches on Amazon, so we'll keep checking. 5 ingredients vegan cookbook. Okay, not enough searches. For seniors 2024, on a budget, Mediterranean diet on a budget. Let's check this one and see. So this is the work you just have to do. Alright, this is the work you have to do. So you go through each of these numbers 1 to 10. Sometimes you might not have up to 10, it might just be 1, might just be 2. Alright, you can have multiple books opened up. Okay, that's why I said this is a limitation. Having just 50 times to use this tool in a month is a limitation, because one book might not be enough to give you all the keywords you need. One book might not be enough. One book might just not be enough. So let us see other keywords that may be good for this book. Alright, so let's click on this and see other keywords that can be good for this our book. So other keywords that may be good for this book. Alright. Air fryer cookbook, let's check. Bread machine cookbook. Clean eating cookbook. Gluten free cookbook. Heart healthy cookbook. We are looking at some of the keywords that has been shown to us. Alright, not many of them have good searches and good competitive score. Alright, so what we are going to do, like if you check out this one now. This one is the pasta queen cookbook. Alright, and you know, Amazon these days, once your keyword is not related to your book, your chances of book going live is very slim. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to get another book's ASIN number. So let's try one more book's ASIN number and then we'll be done for today. So I'll copy out this book's ASIN number. Alright, so I'll go back to Publisher Rockets, click on new search. Alright, I'll paste it and then I'll get them Rocket. So let's see, easy Mediterranean diet cookbook for beginners. So I'm going to click on this. So it has reasonable number of searches, moderately competitive. So I'll copy it out, easy Mediterranean diet cookbook. So I'll just leave out for beginners. So there's no, so let's paste it. Alright, so the Mediterranean diet cookbook for beginners, best beginners cookbook for the Mediterranean diet Mediterranean cookbook for beginners. So they're just twisting the same words over and over again. 30-minute Mediterranean diet cookbook for beginners. So let's check this one out. Low number of searches. So this is what I'm going to do throughout. Alright, until I get that particular keyword that is perfect for my book. Okay, let's see this. Alright, I'll copy this out. So with this, I hope you have been able to understand how to use this tool to get the keyword you need for your book. Okay, I hope you have been able to use this strategy. This strategy is amazing. All right, it gives you that particular keyword that is helping a book rank. As you can see, this particular one is helping a book rank. All right, and you are sure that when you use it in your 7 backend, your book is going to run, and then you are not going to have any issues with your book getting blocked on Amazon. Okay, let's check out these diet cookbooks with pictures. This is amazing. Diet cookbooks with pictures. So I'll copy this out, and this is where we'll end the video for today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can just get more books, get their ASIN numbers, take it to Publisher Rocket and do your research. Okay, when you do your research, you get this kind of result, keywords with this positive green, or keywords that are close enough, moderately competitive. So it's not showing red, meaning you can still use this. All right, it's not showing red. Now mind you, there's some, you have to also check for copyright. All right, check for copyright. Like this, the Pasta Queen cookbook. Now I'm not sure about this one. All right, so you have to check for copyright. All right, so that you don't go and use keywords that are already copyrighted and then have your account terminated. Okay, so that will be that for this video. So I'm sure you have gotten a lot of value from this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, so see you in my next video.